Top 5 AI certifications to land high-paying jobs in 2025. AI is taking over the world. But the real question is, how can you land a high-paying AI job in 2025? Tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI are hiring AI experts like crazy. And if you have the right certifications, you could be next. Stick around because today, I'm revealing the top 5 AI certifications that can skyrocket your career. Rock it, and trust me, you won't believe what's at number 1. Hit like and subscribe if you're ready to future-proof your career in AI. Why AI certifications matter. Before we jump into the list, let's get real. AI jobs pay big money. But companies don't just want coders. They want certified AI professionals who can prove their skills. With AI set to create millions of jobs, getting the right certification can be your golden ticket to success. Top 5 AI certifications. All right, let's get to the good stuff. Here are the top 5 AI certifications you need in 2025. 5. IBM AI Engineering Professional Certificate. IBM certification teaches you AI fundamentals and machine learning. Plus, it's 100% online. 4. Microsoft Azure AI Engineer Associate. Cloud-based AI is the future. This cert proves you're skilled in Azure's AI services and gets you noticed by top recruiters. 3. Certified AI and Machine Learning Specialist. A global certification that teaches you everything about AI, from natural language processing to deep learning. 2. AWS Certified Machine Learning Specialty. Want to work with Amazon-level AI? This certification is essential for AI roles in cloud computing. 1. Google Professional Machine Learning Engineer. Google's certification is one of the best for AI jobs. Companies love it. So there you have it, the 5 best AI certifications to land high-paying jobs in 2025. Which one are you planning to take? Drop a comment below. Write down pointing backhand index. And hey, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on career-boosting content.